Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Hey, it's that time again. We got to get our meals stuff ready for tomorrow. Today's Sunday, so we're going to get ready for Monday's food. Hang on. Got everything spread out here. It looks like we have pulled pork is one option. And the other option is turkey burger and gravy. I think we're going to have that. I made those turkey burgers this week. So let me put this away. Right, so we've got this turkey burger. I'm going to put in there for a moment. Gonna make up a salad. It's just what I'm feeling. I've got some, and I'll have my egg casserole and my yogurt. Taking a spoon, but I've stuck I don't know if you can see this, I put a couple spoons in here. I'm gonna stick right in there, and I will take those along so that way they'll be at work like you all had suggested, taking a couple to work. So I'm following your advice. My coffee, I made it up earlier, and I have electrolytes in it. So tomorrow, I'll pick one of the syrups and put it to it, and that will be what I'll be drinking for my breakfast. Put that over there. So now let's get to this salad. This cabbage is about on its last leg. June 24th, and it's still doing good. I mean, it's still hanging in there. But it might, I don't know. I don't know if it'll make it till tomorrow's Monday. I don't know if it'll make it till Tuesday's lunch or not. We shall see. But, all right, there's that. I'm going to put in some rutabaga chips. That's what I'm just going to call them. Rutabaga chips. Okay, let's use this knife. Already dirty. That knife, that's my old steak knife. Those things couldn't cut diddly. This one's having a hard enough time, and it's a pretty decent one. I'll put a few little chippy chips in there. All right. So we got us a rutabaga. Slide down. A little bit of zucchini chips. Where'd it go? Gonna kind of line them up into a stack and then cut through them in half. Okay. Now, like I always say, if you are in weight loss mode and you're counting anything, do this on the scale. That's very, very important to do it on the scale. I'm gonna finish off my red onions. And that will be the end of these until I buy another one. Well, I might as well use this one for my lid. That way I don't have to dirty up another bowl. If I had remembered that was so low, I would have just used that bowl. But that's all right. It's okay. I don't have... Oh, I'll wait. I'll wait till next time. So banana peppers... Nope, I'm not going to wait on that other thing. Hang on. So some banana peppers, just a few. Don't have to use them all. Then, hang on. I have some of these roasted red bell pepper strips that I've used in the past. I know if you can't have fresh, if you don't want fresh, you can't keep them long enough for fresh, you can buy the roasted kind in a jar. And you can also buy some cocktail onions. Yeah. Bloop. These are pickled ones. Come on. One more. All right. Down to our last paper towel. So I got to make it count. Set you there. I'm done with you. slide you down. We're kind of working our way around. Pickles. My pickled cucumbers. I don't feel like chopping them up. So I'm just going to put them in. If I can stab them. If it's too difficult to stab them, then I'll get my slot. Yep. You know I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time to be trying to chase these cucumbers all over the container. Ain't nobody got time for that. You know, these pickles are probably about 4 weeks old, I would guesstimate. Probably about, or maybe 5 weeks old. Hanging in there. Hanging in there. All right, last thing. Well, no, almost last thing. I have some broccoli slaw, and supposedly yesterday was the last day. I need scissors. But you know how it is. It's the best by date, not the date it expires. So we're going to put just a little bit on here too. Okay. So now, told y'all I don't trust myself with the dressings. Let me clean this up a little bit, and then we'll get back to the dressing. Okay, let's get some dressing going. And I have my Skinny Girl poppy seed. Hey. This is Total Seasoning, just from Walmart. It's one of their seasonings that they have there. I think it's the Cero. I'm going to put in a little bit of roasted garlic. I'll put in a little bit of Greek seasoning. It just gives your stuff a little bit of flavor on top of the salad dressing. And then some everything bagel seasoning. Just kind of gives it a little bit of flavor. So now, hang on, let me get that seasoning all over. Okay. Now we're going to zero it out. And we're going to do 30 grams of Walden Farms Thousand Island. Again, I like these dressings. They're thin, so they go farther than the thicker dressings. And then this is Skinny Girl poppy seed. You can just see that flow right on out of there, can't you? All right. Close enough. 40. So now, put my lid back on it. And put my lid on here so I don't make a mess. Put the tomatoes back on there. Okay. Now, so I have my salad and my turkey burgers, my yogurt, egg casserole, and taking an apple. And that's going to be my breakfast and lunch for tomorrow. So I will see you all. I'll see you at breakfast. Bye. Hey, it is lunchtime, and I've heated up my turkey burgers and got my salad. So let's see how it all is. Hang on. Let's break off a piece of this burger. And there's some gravy in the bottom. Ooh, that's seasoned real good. Salad. See what we think here. I'm telling y'all, season your vegetables, your salad vegetables, before you Add your dressing. Gives it a fun flavor. This day has been kind of hectic. It's a Monday, but it's also a Friday. So you got to play catch up and you got to plan ahead because we're closed tomorrow. So I'm a little bit like, today. So I didn't eat breakfast. I wasn't really overly hungry anyway. So I'm having lunch now. I'll tell you next time I eat. Bye. So I've come out to my car. I'm at work and it is so cold. The thermostat says it's 72, but it feels like 55. My face is cold. My arms are cold. I even have 3/4 sleeve shirt on. I've come out to my car to sit inside of it just to warm up. And I still have long sleeves. I grabbed a jacket that I don't even know when I got this. I think I got it at the thrift store. But anyway, it is so cold that I just want to come sit in my car for a little while. So I'm just going to sit out here. I mean, it's 12:15, so it's part of my lunch. Yeah, that's it. Part of my lunch. I just got to warm up. I'm about to freeze to death. Okay, bye. Look, one of my coworkers gave me a slice of watermelon, so I'm going to have that too, because it's watermelon. I haven't had watermelon in forever. Okay, I'm home, and I'm hungry. So this is the pulled pork. Now, this is not what I made the other day. That's in the freezer. That's for the work party. I made this a couple weeks ago. I kind of don't really want sauce on it. I just want to eat it this way. Let me see. I need to heat it up just a little bit longer. And I want a little bit more salt. Like just plain salt. A little more salt. Okay, now I'm going to warm this up. And then let me just taste the temperature of this before I go any further. I might need to microwave this too. Hold on. No, that's good. So yeah, supper tonight. It's going to be, I made this up yesterday. It's the broccoli, cauliflower, and asparagus. So that's going to be my side. 1 cup of fruit. Actually, I weigh it out. You know me, I don't want to just guess about a cup. This is 140 grams of it's the mixed fruit that I had for supper last night. And I'll show you the pulled pork as soon as it finishes heating up. Okay, it's ready. So to be clear, this is a very cute and fun haircut. It's very cute and fun. But for somebody who has natural curly hair, this isn't, and who doesn't want to, straighten their hair every day, this isn't the right cut. But it is a really cute, fun haircut. It's just not what somebody who wants to wake up, scrunch their hair and go would prefer. So I just, So I do appreciate all your compliments. It is definitely a really cute cut. Just not the one I wanted. All right, so pulled pork. Hot. Got something on me. Hot. Hot but good. So that's going to be my supper. So I had brunch and I had supper. So, all right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow's 4th of July. So I'll be staying here hanging out with the kiddos. I've got a couple of them. 2 of them that really don't like storms and one that's kind of starting to not like storms. So I just hang out here with them because, I just can't do that to them. You know me. I just love my dogs. Plus, I like my dogs more than I like people. So I'd rather be here hanging out with my dogs anyway, playing video games or something. So that's what my plan is tomorrow. But I'll just definitely be keeping them sedated with some medication. All right, bye.